From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it was another nice one today. Plenty of high clouds moving in this afternoon, but they should be moving out for tomorrow. So I do expect more sunshine, and it's going to be a few degrees warmer. So let's get into it and take a look at that upper level pattern and the water vapor imagery showing us where the upper level systems are. And we have this a little bit of this omega block continuing with this area of low pressure on the west coast, another one up southeast Canada, and in between this ridge of high pressure, but slipping in underneath that ridge. Looks like showers and thunderstorms is going to be a pretty good bet for portions of the Texas Panhandle over to Oklahoma. For us, we had those high clouds coming across the area, but notice this darkening right here. That is less high clouds, and that's heading this way. So we do expect more sunshine tomorrow as high pressure at the surface dominates from the Dakotas down through the Gulf of Mexico as well. You can see still some inclement weather, even some snowflakes flying in around Jim Hummel's hometown, upstate New York, near Buffalo, interior portions of upstate New York into Pennsylvania. Wintry mix. What's going on there? And then back to the west, some shower activity, but not a whole lot going on. Again, you can see some green from the regional Doppler radar showing up in those high clouds, but this is all Virga. It's not reaching the ground. It's just more noise than anything else. And this will be scooting on off to the east, the cloud cover that is, and we'll be back to mostly sunny skies. Notice how the model clears those clouds out by daybreak as well, but it's going to hold our temperatures up a little bit tonight, so we'll be closer to the lower 60s in Lafayette. Cooler outlying areas to the north, and then for tomorrow, mostly sunny day. It's going to be a nice one. Light variable winds to the northeast. Temperatures get into the mid 80s. Notice that feels like temperature still mid 80s because the dew points and the humidity still relatively low, but that changes before we're done here. High pressure begins to shuttle off to the east for Thursday morning, but still comfortable in the morning. Dew points still nice, but notice those dew points getting close to 60 as we head into your Thursday afternoon. Temperatures are a degree or two warmer, and then high pressure moves farther to the east, and that's going to allow for the humidity to start working its way northward. Look at this morning start Friday morning in the 70s with dew points in the 70s, and then for Friday afternoon we'll be in the mid to upper 80s. That feels like temperature at 92 because the dew points are going to be up there as well. And we do think we're going to see a few scattered showers, possibly a thunder shower, not overtly seen on the graph model here, but we have rain chances ramping up to about 30 to 40% for your Friday afternoon. Tonight, though, nice and pleasant through daybreak tomorrow. Temperatures don't get into the 50s, though, until about 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock in the morning after those high clouds move out because they're acting as a blanket, keeping us a little bit warmer. Lower 60s I-10 corridor. We'll go 63 in Lafayette and pretty much the same down across the coastal parishes. Then that nice warm-up tomorrow, we'll see readings getting into the low to mid 80s. Still relatively comfortable humidity, but it's going to feel warmer. And boy, that sun feels hot this time of year when you're out in it, and there's not much of a breeze. It feels toastier than that. Back down into the lower 60s tomorrow night, and as we head into Thursday, we'll favor mid 80s once again. So overnight tonight, nice night, but not nearly as cool. We'll go 63 the low, plenty of high clouds out there. Moon's going to be full as we head into Friday, so look forward to the Mayflower moon there. And then as we head into tomorrow, nice day. We're staying on a roll, more sun and warmer afternoon temperatures, light northeasterly winds at about 3 to 8, occasionally variable or nearly calm. So that's why it's going to feel a little bit hotter out there overall. And that trend continues as we head into the weekend. Rain chances, though, perking up as we head into Friday. Let's start with Friday here, and we'll bring in the Euro model showing the risk of scattered showers and a few thunder showers Friday afternoon, evening. Some scattered activity this weekend, but not everybody sees it. And it's going to be around in the area, so we don't see any washouts coming, but we will see some daily rain chances through the weekend and beyond. And notice these highs pushing 90 this weekend and overnight lows in the mid 70s. So a little bit of a summer preview on the way with respect to the humidity and the warmer temperatures. And that pattern continues through much of next week. Eventually we'll see a slightly better chance of showers and storms, and maybe to be followed by some cooler air not seen here on the 10-day forecast. So getting close to that time of year where maybe we have 1 or 2 more fronts on the way, but not in the next week to 10 days.
Yeah, September,
October.
October.
Yeah, more likely October or November.
All right. Thank you, Rob.